Now, here we are 24 hours later, standing generally in the same place, but I'm not going in there with them because they're eating, and Axel's out here, and he'll get protective if I walk in there. And the snow, it was about 10 inches, I think, yesterday, is now melted, and the temperatures have warmed up. So now we have fog down in the marsh. Hello. Hello, Gretel. Axel? Hi. What a difference. So now we have rain, and it all melted for the most part. And it's warmed up like 30 degrees. So if you don't like the weather in Virginia, wait 24 hours. Guaranteed to change. Alrighty. Bye.